Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Windows color calibration for brandwork step by step clearly. To begin the color calibration process, access the Windows search bar. Type color calibration into the search bar and hit enter. This will open the display color calibration tool. Click on next to proceed to the first step. You will see an overview of what calibration involves. Read the information carefully, then click next again. Now, adjust your monitor's brightness. Follow the on-screen instructions to find the optimal brightness level. Once satisfied, click Next to continue. The next step involves adjusting the monitor's contrast. Use the provided sample image to set the correct contrast. After achieving the desired contrast, click Next. Next, you will adjust the gamma settings. Follow the visual prompts to set the gamma level accurately. Once the gamma is adjusted, click Next again. Now it's time to calibrate the colors. You will see red, green, and blue rectangles on the screen. Adjust your monitor's color settings to match the on-screen instructions. Once the colors are aligned, click Next. Finally, you will see a summary of your calibration settings. If you're satisfied with the adjustments, select Finish. Your new calibration settings will now be applied. To save these settings, follow the prompt to confirm. You can always return to adjust the settings later if needed. Congratulations, your monitor is now color calibrated for brand work. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.